Today I'm here with Wig Fever. It's my first time working with them. It's a simple purple box, has their name branded at the front. Also has their social media on the back of the box. So yeah, just go ahead and follow them there. Oh, I'm seeing this really nice bonnet. It's also reversible. Oh, and it's drawstring, so you can always adjust it to be tighter, and you can pull on this part here. You can pull on this part here, the string, to make it tighter. Yeah, I also got a pair of 3D mink lashes, and the style looks really nice. I got a elastic band. I got a head scarf thingy. It's branded with their name, Wig Fever. Information card. Oh, it's also a thank you card. It says, "Thank you, sis." All right, it's a cute little card. I got a wig cap, and then lastly in the box I'm seeing a drawstring bag, and this is branded Wig Fever. Yeah, so that's cool. This is great for storage, by the way. I love getting these. So after you're done with the wig, once you cleanse it and everything, you can just go ahead and store it in here. So today's wig, we're working with a straight texture, but it's a closure wig. So it's one of the easy installations. Once it's closure, it's really easy to install. I always feel like a closure wig is very beginner friendly, and this is like a nice HD lace. The lace on this feels amazing. It's 4x4 though, so it's not like a lot of space on the closure, but it can definitely work, and you can definitely still install this to make it look like a frontal. Just have to finesse how well it laid. So it looks really good, and they did pre-pluck it, so that looks good. I love that. It feels really nice and silky. It's not extremely silky though. It does have a little bit of coarseness to it, but it's flowy. I can tell it feels strong. Am I getting shedding? No, it feels really good, and I love the movement. Yeah, that looks good. Oh, and this is 24 inches long. It's 180% in density. It's also a medium cap size. Let's go ahead and see the cap construction. So it's pretty standard though. It does have adjustable straps. In the back, it has a total of 4 combs, and the closure portion 4x4, as I said before. Yeah, it looks really good. So now that you guys have seen that, let's go ahead and jump into installing this. This is gonna be a quick installation, by the way. Trust, closure equals quick all the time.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming in colors I never dreamed. You in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before.
guys, you see how easy it was to install it, literally, because you don't have any side portion working with, like in terms of adding adhesive to it. It's only the middle portion. So literally it was just one spray, one blow, done. So now all I have to go ahead and do is work on the middle portion, which is create my parting, and I'm not doing any baby hairs. This lace is too beautiful. So look at that, it looks so good. Love the fact that it's pre-plucked so nicely as well.
Driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh. Magic. No, I'm never letting go. Now that I have it with you. When you kiss me, it's like the stars fall out the sky onto my heart to cover up what I don't wanna show. I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made them yours. Didn't know what my heartbeat needed, skipping out, no I can't keep score. When I lose my breath, boy, you got me breathing. Oh, every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Every little thing you do, every time you hold me, take me higher, higher. Oh, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, you take me higher, baby, you take me higher, yeah, you take me higher, baby.
So it's straight. You saw where I just took one section and just run flat iron through it, and I just split it up in like the most 3 sections, but like each half. You know, it was so easy to straighten because it was already so nice and bone straight. The movement, as I said, is beautiful. So what I want to do now, because you see it's all like on one level, there are no layers, so I'm gonna kind of just frame my face, do that kind of 90s vibe, and have it fall in really cute. And you see, it looks really good. Like, who would know it's just a closure, right? And I didn't do any baby hairs. Just pull it back because the hairline is so beautiful. So yeah, let's go ahead and put some layers in this.
Feelings, it's like I can't walk on the ceiling. Oh yeah, got me dreaming, driven in colors I never dreamed. Oh yeah, I let you in deeper than I let anyone else before. Fell in love with my broken pieces, took them all and made
This
them
is how the hair looks. Oh my gosh, it's so flowy. You see that? The movement don't lie. It doesn't lie. So shout out to Wig Fever for this. This wig is absolutely gorgeous. The luster, the movement, everything. You know, straight out of the package I wasn't getting any shedding, but eventually, you know, you get shedding. As long as it's minimal, it's fine. Okay, it's fine. It's not a crime. But it looks really good, and it was a super easy install. So yeah, if you want to just start off simple but you want some lace and you're not that versed on the application, start off with a closure wig, sis. Just start off with a closure wig, because a frontal can take up more time, it's a little bit more advanced, and this is super beginner friendly. So yeah, but yeah, that's pretty much my wig look for today. Thank you guys so much for tuning into today's wig video. Thank you so much. Shout out to Wig Fever for sponsoring this video. I'm super grateful, and I'm going to be sure to drop all the specifications as usual in my description box, as well as the link to this gorgeous wig. So if you are interested, you can go ahead and get it for yourself. And don't forget to go ahead and check out my vlog channel, PETITE-SUE TV. Your girl is very frequent over there, okay? Very frequent. Really nice vlogs, you know, day in the life of, you know, out and about, food. It's everything food, it's everything lifestyle, it's everything fun. It's so yeah, check that out, and don't forget to subscribe over here as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. So until then, just